The Salisbury Plain. And he's back on it. He's got a fine yellow hoop. Look at the views. Look at those views. On our way up to the horses, it tells you you're behind the racecourse. So we leave the barbed wire of Allenbrook Barracks. We head out to the back end of the racecourse. More views. One dog walker there, look. Yellow rape seed behind. Beautiful. This wood is called Bolton Barn. Another spectacular view as we head towards Anniversary Plantation. Always walk down the middle, keep your paws intact, keep the pads nice and clean. The open spaces of the Salisbury Plain. Under the hill, rather than over it, beehives. This is the most common problem of the Salisbury Plain. The cows! They just don't know where to do their business. Things you don't expect to see on a dog walk, an ATV. He's a good boy, he's waiting. Wexland Farm, Bravo Crossing, 5 field down that way. That's Wexland Hanging. This is uphill. Top the hill. There's more hills to come, and I'm further away than I thought I was. Ever wondered why me and Bailey spend so much time on the Salisbury Plain? Walking long distances. No? Just me then. So we are definitely walking on the road that never ends. Yay! Downhill, Stonehenge Firs, and then we're done. Woo! Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.